students, welcome to our tutorial on how to make infographics using your phone through the Canva app. Now let's click our Canva app here, and this is it. Now the first thing that you'll see when you open your Canva app is their homepage, and this one. Now I highly recommend you sign in or log in to your account, especially if you have a pro subscription. Then that would be very much better and would be very helpful in making a infographics, because you would be able to access different elements and features with that pro subscription. Now here you can sign in, and you can see mine here, which I have a theme, and that is one of the ways that you can get a pro subscription, and I join a theme. Now let us say you already sign in, you have the account already. How do we make an infographics? You have to decide now whether you are going to make from the scratch, or are you going to make based from templates. And I would highly recommend again is for you just to make from templates, because you already have the designs and you can just edit it and basically modify the design based on your likings and based on your needs. But if you are creative enough, if you have so much time, then you can create from the scratch on your own, and you just have to identify the size, and you can click this plus sign here, and then when you click it right here, then it will give you the size. You can customize right here. But as for me, I would like to use the templates, so I will just search here infographics, and it will give me different templates, which I like to use because this is much easier and it is so easy to make, which saves you a lot of time compared to making it from scratch. So as you can see, we have a lot of templates here, and you can choose one depending on what you need. For example, this one, it has a lot of diagrams. Then if you want a lot of diagrams, then you can use this one. Or if you want a design like this, and you can choose this one. Then let's say we pick this one. Now the only difference is that when you make from the scratch, you can edit the size. However, here in with the templates already, you cannot edit the size. So that's the only downside here. But as you can see, when we have the templates already, we can just edit it out based from our needs. Let us say I want to make this one as a Typhoon map, so I can edit here Typhoon map, and there you go. Now here we have a lot of things to consider, and which are going to be useful when you are making in an infographics. And these are the designs, and designs actually gives you the templates just in case you want to change a template along the way when you are creating your design. Then you can click this one. Now the elements, the next one, will give you different shapes, lines, and arrows, and you can also search the AI generated image to add to your designs, like this one. For example, I want to add an arrow, then I can click the arrow, and then there you go, that's the arrow already. And you can also customize the color here. Then if you want to make it gray, or if you want to make it white or red, then there you go. Now let us say we want to erase that one. Let's just erase it. Now how about the text? This is the text. We have here the text, and you can choose whether it is as a add heading or subheading, or it is a body text. But this one actually does not differ. It's just a standard measure of the size of the text. So you can simply add text here. Let's say subheading, and you want to add your name. Let's say I would add my name here, Rod's Car, and there you go. Now question is, sir, how can we edit the font or the size? We have, if you click it, these here right here will show up, these choices, and this is where you are going to choose that. As you can see, it has font, text styles, font size, color, format, and advanced effects, animate, and transparency. You can explore it because these are the most common features that we use when we make infographics. Like for example, this one, the font style. So you can choose different font style here. I want to say, let's say I want to use League Spartan, or the Open Sans, or the Arimo. So that, there you go. Now the text styles, you can change of, like for example, you want to make it a heading, then you can change it this one. Okay, or you want to go back to subheading. Now here, font size, you can actually edit the font size in two ways. Here you can specify the numbers, and you can also just simply drag it here. Okay, now the color, these are the different colors of the text that you can make, and there you go, you can make it that. And the format, simply just alignments of the text, and you can also make it like this. So you know the basics already. These are the animations. This one is not really useful, but just a good thing to know. Now aside from that, you can also add pictures here in galleries. So there you go, and those are the pictures that I have right now. And if you want to add it to your design, then you can click it and you add to page, and that will be uploaded. Now here you can also upload files, and here are the files that I have uploaded to Canva itself. Meaning, even if I'm using my Canva account in another device, then these photos will still be here. Unlike here in gallery, this is connected to your phone, but this one in the uploads, it is connected to your Canva accounts already. Now the tools, these are not that relevant anymore because these are complicated features already, but those are just the most important, like elements, text, galleries, and uploads. Now knowing all of that, you can now already create your own Typhoon map. And that's all. Thank you.